Okay, so this would be the constant. That would be the constant. So what number is in front of this y, which is -7 only, and then what number is in front of the y squared, which is 1. Again, it's a little invisible 1. So what you do is you multiply 1 times -30, which equals -30. Then what? So what factors of 30 that makes it into -7? So we can do -30 plus 1, which equals 29. We could do -15 plus 2, which equals -13. But we could do 10 plus 3, which equals -7, which is our answer for that one. Then we rewrite it again, which is 2 minus 10y plus 3y minus 30. And then you put this into in parentheses, so it'll be y, and then parentheses y minus 10, because you're going to turn it, and then you would do the same thing as this one. Like on this one you could do the same thing as this one, so it would be 3 parentheses y minus 10, and then we can, okay, and then we get, so if we use one of these y minus 10, we'll just cross them out, so it would be y plus 3 parentheses times y minus 10, and that's our answer.
Using this polynomial, 15x minus x cubed plus 3, I have to write a polynomial in a standard form. So how you write it in standard form is standard form means that the order of them by exponents, which is -x cubed plus 15x plus 3. That's standard form. Then I have to identify the degree. So since there's a cube right here and 3, so that means the degree is 3. I have to find the coefficient, and the coefficient is -1, because whatever's in front of the problem. Then I have to identify if this is the terms of this problem is trinomial. This is my answer. For this equation, I have to find the product. So you start with first, outer, inner, and last. So I got t squared plus 5t plus 5t minus 25. These cancel out. So you have t squared minus 25. That's your answer. Next equation, we're going to try to find the product. 5x minus 2y, and then write that again, 5x minus 2y. So for this equation, you'll be using FOIL. First, you do 5x times 5x equals 25x. Outer, which is -2y times 5x, gives you -10xy. Then you do 5x times -2y, which is 10xy, which is inner, negative 10xy, and then you do negative 2y times negative 2y gives you positive 4y, which is last. So what you do is combine these with like terms, gives you positive 20xy, and you bring everything down, which is this squared.
So we have two problems here. What we have to do is factor each polynomial by grouping. Which problem should we do first? We should do m squared minus 3m plus mn minus 3n. Let me write it out. So you factor, which turns into m parentheses m minus 3 parentheses plus n parentheses m minus 3. Then we factor m minus 3, which turns into parentheses m minus 3 parentheses m plus n. That's this answer for B, which is m squared minus 3m plus mn minus 3n. So our next problem is 2s cubed minus 27 minus 18s plus s squared. So we would factor using polynomial division, which is 2s cubed minus 27 minus 18s plus 3s squared, which turns into 2s squared plus 9s plus 9 and parentheses s minus 3. So, and then we'll split it, which turns into 2s squared plus 9s plus 9. Then we factor it, which is parentheses 2s squared plus 6s plus 3s plus 9 parentheses s minus 3. Then we factor again, which is parentheses 2s parentheses s plus 3 parentheses s plus 3 parentheses s minus 3. Then we factor s plus 3, which gives us parentheses s plus 3, 2s plus 3, and s minus 3, which is our answer.
Go.
So our problem is negative 7y plus y squared minus 30. We have to factor the polynomial. So negative 30 is the constant. So what number is in front of the y, which is negative 7? What's ahead of y squared, which is an invisible 1? So we multiply 1 times negative 30, which equals negative 30. Then we have to find out the factors of 30 that equal negative 7. So we do factors, so it would be negative 30 plus 1, and it will be negative 15 plus 2. Then it will be negative 10 plus 3. So negative 30 plus 1, which equals negative 29. Negative 15 plus 2, which is negative 13. Negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7, which is this is the answer to find negative 7. So what we do, and we plug it in, so it'll be y2 minus 10y plus 3y minus 30. What we do, and we separate them, so it'll be like parentheses, separating them by parentheses. So it'll be y parentheses y minus 10. Then the other one will be 3 parentheses y minus 10. So we can use one of these expressions, which we cross both of them out, so it will be y plus 3 and y minus 10, and that is our answer.
What is your current grade in algebra, and list 3 things that can help you improve?
My current grade in algebra right now, it's a B, but I like it to be higher. The 3 things I could do to improve that grade is to take better notes, to work more on the problems that I'm confused on, and the third thing to do is to ask for help more if I don't really understand that lesson, and that will be all.
I have my grade in this class is a B plus, which is pretty good. But my goal is to keep it past like a higher grade, like A and a B. 3 things I would have to improve it would be study hard, work out problems, ask the teacher what you need, what I need to need help on. I need to work harder on tests and quizzes.